Did staying in jail for a period of time and participating in the movement at that time, did those factors have anything to do with your deciding to become an attorney?
Not really. I decided in 5th grade when Brown v. Board of Education came out, May 17, 1954.
5th grade.
That I wanted to be a lawyer. I was so impressed with Thurgood Marshall, who later became a Supreme Court Justice of the United States. I wanted to be like him. I wanted to fight in the courts.
Well, let me see if I get this right. You today are, what's the right term? You're the longest?
Oh, I've been practicing law
Longer than anyone
black woman
in Florida history, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
It'll be 45 years on June 20th.
Congratulations. Another thing people may not know about you is that you worked as an aide to Representative Joe Lang Kershaw, who was the first black representative to serve in the Florida House since Reconstruction. You were his aide, and what was that like?
Oh, that was different. Joe Lang and I, Representative Joe Lang Kershaw and I, were the only blacks in the Capitol who were not maids or janitors.
The only ones?
The only two. Just the two of us, but everybody embraced us. And Gwen Cherry, who was the second black woman to be admitted to practice in Florida, was my law school professor. And she was the one who called and said, "You've got to work for Representative Joe Lang Kershaw." And that's how I got started there. But I can truly say that all of the other people who worked for all of the other representatives were very kind and cordial toward me, and I built a lifetime of friendships with them. And I rode home every weekend with representatives from Tampa and their aides. It was a wonderful experience, but it was groundbreaking. And you know, there's the public, and there was a lot of feedback that Representative Kershaw got, and he and I had a big difference in age. I was 21 and he was 65, and I was radical and he was not quite as radical, but we worked together and I enjoyed the experience.